Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add extra plugin to CK Editor. So what plugin I'm going to add today is color button. So this is my text editor and you can see the third and second last button for colors. One is for text color and another one is for background color. So these two button will be added through my color button plugin, and in my official CKEDITOR official website you can go on add-on button. From there you can download the color button plugin, and you can use different plugins you have for whatever use you want. Then download it. It will be downloaded in zip file. So when you download the plugin, there is one pop-up that will show you how you can include the plugin in your CK editor. So I'm going to my downloads. Then I'm extracting my CK editor plugin, that is color button. I'm copying that and I'm going to my project folder, in which there you can see CK editor, and I'm going inside that folder, and again I'm going for plugin folder. Inside that I'm going to paste my color button folder that I have extracted. After including the plugin into my CK editor, I'm going to include that into my PHP file. So for that I'm going to my script, and there I'm going to write CKEDITOR.config.extraPlugins, and there I'm going to write the name of the plugin, that is color button. And let's check it how it's going to react. So our text area is gone. So let me check the console, and there you can say it's showing a error for panel button. So there is one dependency that is we need to include. So I'm going to CK editor and I'm going to download the plugin, that is panel button. When the download is complete, go to the download folder, extract the panel button and copy and paste that in the same plugin folder of the CK editor, where you firstly I have pasted my color button. In the same folder I have to paste this panel button. So if I'll refresh, there you can see it showing the two buttons. And if I'll use the background color with anything I type, and let me just write tutorial with give it some text color. So it's working fine. So that's how you can add an extra plugin into your CK editor. So while adding, just make sure that you check if it's having any dependency or not on any other plugin. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.